I'm back with my first nail tutorial of the summer, and you know the girls love dip set. This is my very first sponsored nail tutorial, so I'm super excited to announce this video is in partnership with Modelones. So of course that means I have a coupon code for you guys. So just screenshot this code or check out the description box at the end of the video to save money. So today I'm going to be doing my first at-home dip powder set. I saw this super simple kind of neutral pink set in their summer sales tab, and all this is very much my style. Today though, I want to try the white in this set because for me, a good white set is bae, okay? I am going to be applying tips today, and my natural nails were already prepped off camera. And I tend to prefer a tapered square for myself, not quite coffin. Next, I'm going in with some nail dehydrator just to dry up any excess oil and help the set last. This dehydrator did not come in the kit, but it is from Modelones. I have this in my personal stash and I use this for every set that I do. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using the pure white today. I watched a few tutorials, and I've also gotten dip powder sets done professionally in the past, so I do understand the basic concept, you know, of just dipping and brushing off the excess. But from watching tutorials, the main thing that you want to focus on when you're doing them yourself is how you build them. So I'm going to start by building my apex. The easiest way to do this is to start halfway down the nail, about where the apex would be if you got your nails done or if you kind of know the shape that you like, and coat with a thin, even layer of the base polish. Immediately after coating, gently dip the nail in the powder, making sure every area that was painted gets coated. I'm going to do this on each nail before building the next layer. This also gives time for each layer to dry before moving on. I was conscious of choosing a nail length that would allow me to easily dip my entire nail in, but I do want to say with this particular kit, keep in mind that these containers are small. If you want to maximize the use of your powder and also ensure even coating, there is also a technique of scooping and pouring the powder directly over the nails. I just really wanted to dip my nails. It's super satisfying and relaxing to me, but use whatever method you feel is best. Depending on how long and thick you want your nails, this will determine how many times you repeat the process. For me, I ended up being satisfied with 3 to 4 layers for each nail. The main tip I have for dip powder, especially this white, is to take your time and make sure the base touches only the area you want coated. Quickly wipe away any excess before dipping and don't flood the cuticle. If after you dip you see some along the edges, carefully scrape it away before that layer dries. Also, I personally say to allow at least 60 seconds between each layer application for that layer to dry. Doing this will help ensure easy filing later. After I'm done building each nail, my nails look a lot like, kind of like toothpaste globs. But then here comes my second favorite part, applying the activator and making the powder harden. This part is also important because this is what locks everything in place and makes the nails easy to file and shape. If you do not do this step, then your nails won't ever fully set and your nails will be really grainy and the powder will just kind of like be dusting off everywhere. To shape my nails, first I hand file using the file that came in the kit, and then you definitely want to buff so the nails are nice and smooth before you apply step 3. A buffer does not come in the kit, so I would definitely suggest, having your own buffer, buffing your nails yourself. You also can use an e-file if you want to, but it isn't necessary. And once your nails are shaped and buffed, you want to apply step 3, which is the gel top coat, which you do need to dry with a UV light. Also, that does not come in the kit, so you are going to need a UV light. Y'all, I am so in love with this entire process. Not only did dip powder take half the time, but I'm so impressed with the white payoff. I have done my makeup several times, been outside, ate everything with these nails, and the set stayed powder white. This is really important to me because I love white nails, but I hate how quickly some sets get dingy. Leave a comment down below if you love dip powder, if you want to see more dip sets. Get it? Dip sets. And I'll see you guys in my next upload.